Welcome to the next video in our sequence where we in fact now have all the data that DocuScope gave us and tagged into a spreadsheet Minitab. And now we're going to apply factor analysis to look at larger structures. So under stats, we're going to look at factor analysis. That seems to be a very good statistic for interpreting. We're going to click here and click at the bottom. So all 26 cluster variables we're going to have in play. We're going to essentially extract two factors because that's simply easy for explanation and easy for this demonstration project. We're going to store the variables in C50 and C51. Actually, we're going to store the factor scores into C50 and 51 because what happens is factor analysis looks for large rhetorical strategies that the reporters are using both pre and post 9/11. And every text, and once those rhetorical strategies are called factors, and a factor score is really scoring every text on where it stands with respect to that strategy. So we're going to first try to identify these factors as strategies and then assess where the texts stand with respect to these strategies. Under results, we're going to say we want loadings only. We want to sort the loadings. And we want to zero out any loading that is less than 0.4 as a coefficient. And now we're going to let the factor analysis rip. And what we want to do is scroll down to the place where we actually sorted them. And you see many variables are zeroed out if they were less than 0.4. We're going to stop here because we just want to take it in small steps. See you in the next video.